In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a JSON file to Trello. So let's dive right in and get started. First, take a look at the top right corner of your Trello board, and you'll notice a little rocket ship icon. It's somewhat discreet, but certainly easy to spot once you know what you're looking for. Click on this icon, and it will open a new window or drop-down menu from where you can proceed to the next step. Now, within this new window or menu, you'll find the option to add power-ups. These power-ups are essentially plugins or extensions developed by third-party developers. They enhance the functionality of Trello and help cater to your specific needs. With Trello's flexibility, you can customize your experience by using the right power-ups that suit the task at hand. Go ahead and click on Add Power-Ups to start searching for the one we need. Once you're in the Power-Ups section, it's time to search for Import JSON. You'll likely see a few options appear in your search results. Today we're going to choose the one called Import to Board, which is developed by Bo Wang. It's a handy tool that makes the whole importing process a breeze. Click on the Add button next to this choice. The interface will update and the button's label will change. After clicking Add, you'll see the button now reads Settings. Click this Settings button and you'll be prompted to authorize your account. Authorizing your account is essential because it grants the power-up permission to interact with your board, ensuring a smooth import of your data from the JSON file. Follow the prompts to authenticate, and soon you'll find that it's all set up. Once authorized, a shortcut to this power-up will appear in the top right toolbar of your Trello board for easy access. With everything set up, it's time to click on this new button to begin importing your JSON file. This action will open a window where you can easily select the JSON file you want to import. It's straightforward and user-friendly, making sure that your task is done efficiently without any hassle. Once your file is selected and imported, you should see its contents appear where needed on your Trello board. And there you go. That's all it takes to import a JSON file into Trello using the power-up Import to Board by Bo Wang. It's a straightforward process when you break it down, and it can significantly boost your productivity by allowing you to bring in data without manual entry quickly. Remember, the key is to take advantage of the power-ups available to customize Trello to fit your workflow perfectly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.